was just heading out the door and I thought, whoa, I should demonstrate this thing I got. Let's see, we got the right terminals here. This is called a PCS splice wire terminal kit. Got these little things. There's different gauge ones. There's a 120 piece set, and it just like, say you want to tap into a wire, kind of like those blue things you can buy, where you just take the wire, stick it in here, take a pair of pliers, clip it down. Then you take one of these guys, and I got to strip the wire. Let me do that. So you strip the wire, stick it in this deal. Use your crimper. Now you got the wire there, and this actually has a little plate in here that slides into here and makes the connection. And there you go. So you can tap into a wire, get a positive wire, feed your lights or whatever you want to do. This is really handy. It's going to be handy for me because a lot of times I'll have to reach up into the fairing and just clip onto a headlight wire or something and just pull a positive off of that, because the frame is always negative, so you can always get a negative. But that's kind of nice. It was a 120 piece set. I got it on Amazon, and it's called the PCS wire splice terminals, and it comes with pretty much everything you need. You do have to have one of these, and you want to get a high quality crimper. You don't want to use one of them cheapy ones that you usually get. This thing is really worth it. So anyway, just thought I'd bring that to your attention. This will work on anything from 10 gauge to 18 gauge. So it's pretty wide berth as far as what it'll fit. And what's kind of nice too is you can just unplug these then. So it's not a permanent deal, but it is waterproof. So that's kind of nice. There you go.